All right, time for some Monday birthdays across the area, and we begin with a belated birthday wish going out to Caden Westhoff in St. Paul, who turned 9 last Friday. So you get to celebrate even longer. Caden, happy birthday.
And happy birthday to Courtney Emhoff, who's turning 48 today.
And we've got Steve Saporito in Weir celebrating birthday number 56. Happy birthday, Steve.
And over in Galena, Kansas, happy 70th birthday to Dean Jesse.
And back over in Joplin, we've got Bonnie Wells celebrating birthday number 82. Happy birthday, Bonnie.
And a big happy birthday to Michelle Hamilton. Have a great one, Michelle.
And we've also got Peggy Ogle celebrating another year wiser over in Fredonia. Happy birthday, Peggy.
And happy 13th anniversary to Kurt and Hannah Zam. They are over there in Baxter Springs, Kansas.
And in Webb City, we've got Jim and Becky Bannock celebrating Brannock, my apologies, celebrating their 40th wedding anniversary. A very happy anniversary to the Brannocks.
And over on August 4th, John and Debbie Cassell celebrated their 50th anniversary in Columbus, Kansas. Congratulations on the Big 5-0, you two.
All right, and we also have Olivia Harkins celebrating a birthday today in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Olivia. Well, this list was slightly better than last week's list, but it needs to get better. Caitlin, where do folks need to send their birthdays and anniversaries?
You got to send them over to us at birthdays@koamnewsnow.com. Show us your pictures, write a message to loved ones. We want to celebrate you.
We certainly do. And also to help celebrate you, we've got the KOAM Birthday Club. You can go over to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club today. And you know why you want to do that? Well, it's because you get great deals from local businesses and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So once again, head over to our website, koamnewsnow.com, and sign up for that birthday club today.